What's good, guys? Welcome back to another live stream. But yeah, again, reason I'm not taking this trade, even though it is a clean looking buy model. Asia low swept on both assets, London low swept on both assets. Reason I am not taking this is because we've came up, mitigated this 15-minute bearish gap, and we've got previous day low below price, which is the draw on liquidity. For our time frame looking bearish, we've had a shift in market structure. We've created a bearish 4-hour CB, and now we're getting respect out of that bearish 4-hour gap, and then the next draw is previous day low, so I'm not expecting this buy model to hold, even though it could, but I want to be only taking the cleanest setups.
Order filled.
Inside, guys, inside the trade.
Order filled.
Wow. Wow. Unbelievable. Jesus. Clean sample, clean drawn liquidity, even got SMT. Unicorn model as well, as we have a breaker. Yeah, that's not clean. Clean price action. I'll take the loss. Clean trade. But higher time frame SMT at this 15-minute CB. NQ's mitigated it. ES has not. ES has mitigated a lower bearish 15-minute gap. We're seeing SMT at the internal range highs. Clean displacement, clean market structure shift, and clean drawn liquidity. Literally an A+ setup. So just coming into this trade with the mindset of whatever happens, happens, and I'll take the loss. As long as I've stuck to the plan. And whenever you come into the market, you don't want to come in with the mindset of, right, I want to take money out of the market. You want to come into the market with the mindset of, I want to stick to my plan today, regardless if it was a loss or if it was a win. So but the most you can do is just trade your plan. As long as you're following your rules to your plan, you should not be frustrated or annoyed if you do get stopped out. Because if you can stay that discipline over time, that's when you'll start to see the results. Not if you get annoyed after a silly losing streak or even just one loss on the day. Actually, we'll peel 6 off at this low if we do get that low. and then we'll peel the rest off at previous day low. Don't know why that's changed to 2. Oh wait there, I'll see what's happening. Okay, so if we break this low on in Q, I will chase trail stops to the swing high. But yeah, ideally we should be ripping to previous day low. Not a big fan of the price action so far today. But we're just letting the market do its thing. Do what it wants to do. Again, either way, I'm happy. We've stuck to the plan. And it is what it is. but we've came all the way down, market structure shift, displacement, then we've rebalanced it all the way up. We've even closed in the gap with a body closure above, so we've inverted our bearish gap, then we've came down, we've inverted the bullish gap, that inverted this bearish gap, and now we're coming all the way back up again. It's very strange price action, especially on ES. I don't like the way ES price action looks like. But yeah, NQ definitely is the weaker asset. But yeah, the high of this candle should be respected simply because this is the bearish breaker. So this should be holding price to the downside if we were truly bearish and we were heading for that previous day low. So okay. I think we've just taken the high of that candle there. Yeah. Okay.
Order filled.
Stopped out, guys. Stopped out, guys. I'll take it. Is what it is. Stuck to the plan. Just making sure that all of my accounts are out.
Order filled.
Okay, there we go. So again, stuck to the plan today. Is what it is. I'll take the loss. Obviously SMT the highs. We've even got higher time frame fair value gap SMT. Previous day low in the crosshairs, but clean displacement, clean market structure shift, clean bearish gap. And then yeah, price action just continues to be choppy. So I will continue to monitor until around 11:15, but if we don't have another clean setup, then I will be done for the day. Edged.
Order filled.
Okay. Inside of the trade, guys. Just execute on all of our accounts.
Order filled.
On targeting 779.25 again. Soon as we take this low and create a swing high, I'm going to trail stops to this swing high. I mean, in fact, we do have a 3-minute forming, so I'm going to wait. Now, I'm not going to trail stops just yet if we do take out this sell side, simply because we're forming a 3-minute. If we weren't forming a 3-minute, a 4-minute and a 5-minute, that's when I would be trailing stops, but this to me just looks like it's enticing traders to trail stops early. Take the buy stops, mitigate the 5-minute bearish gap, and then see the delivery. But for now, just waiting. But yeah, I'm expecting a sweep of these buy stops at that swing high. Literally got equal lows as well on the 15-minute on NQ. But yeah, not trailing. We've just made a 5-minute bearish gap, so we'll let price retrace into the gap if need be. Only reason I'd be trailing is if we take out this external range sell side, then we would have to go break even regardless if we've got a bearish gap in our favour above price. I mean, it would suck if we take out this swing low, go break even, get stopped and then see the run, but again, it's better be safe than sorry. I'd rather trail stops to break even once we take out the sell side than not trail and then get stopped and then be kicking myself for why I did not trail break even once that sell side was taken. So I mean, we could hold a runner for current weekly low. That would be clean. Okay, still not trailing simply because we have that bearish 5 minute above price. Haven't mitigated it, so just wait. Only reason I'd be trailing is if we take out external range. The sell side at 951 at 785. But my thought process is, if we come all the way down, take this low, we should see speed down to previous day low. So getting ready to trail stops. Okay. And the reason I'm not trailing is because there's been many times where on the 1 minute you just get so glued to it, you see it create a swing high within the gap and then break a swing low, so instantly you're thinking, right, let's trail stops to that lower high. But looking at the 5 minute, we still haven't mitigated this bearish 5 minute gap, so that's why I always just look between the 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1, and if there was no 3, 4 and 5 minute bearish gaps that haven't yet been mitigated, that's when I'd be looking at trail stops. Okay, so I'm seeing this as just pure manipulation above these buy stops to mitigate this bearish 5 minute gap. So I'm happy even if we bump above that high. That does not matter to me. Undeniable setup though, undeniable. I'll take this trade every single day. So say we come up, mitigate this 5 minute SIBI, create a swing high and then break this low down here. That's when I'd trail stops to the swing high that forms inside of the bearish 5 minute gap. So either that, or if we take out this sell side down here, then we'll go instantly break even, as it is a swing low on the higher time frame, so on the 1 hour. And that's where it comes unpredictable. It could either reverse from there, come all the way back up, take out all these buy stops, or it can just keep running and take out that previous day low of speed. That's just why I like to go to break even. Okay, break even everyone. Make sure you guys are break even on the trade. Again, this is where we could easily reverse from, so I'm not taking any chances and I'm just going break even.
Order filled.
There we go guys, boom, TP smashed, done for the day, 1 loss and 1 win. Just over into profits for me personally. I don't know if you guys are using fixed risk in terms of lot size or micros or minis, you guys should be in profit for the day because we secured 24 points there, and if you took that short earlier you would have lost around 16 points, so you'd be in a small gain for the day if you were using that type of risk of around 8 handles, if that. So but yeah, done for the day. If you made profits, just be sure to put it inside of the Discord channel, inside of the members wins. But see you all in tomorrow's live stream guys. Done for the day.